Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can look up plants on your phone. So for instance, you took a picture of a plant or you saved an image of a plant and you want to know what that plant is. You can actually see there's going to be like an information button with like little sparkles on the bottom, or you can like select this and select look up. I'm just going to select this one. It says look up plant and it's going to show results similar to the image that you have. So for instance, this is I don't know how to pronounce this plant. I'm gonna say hibiscus, is how you pronounce it. So it's gonna also show similar web images. You can also select the Wikipedia page if you want to know more about the plant itself. It works for everything like this one. Again, just like this, it says look up Easter lily. You're just going to select it and it's going to show the species of plant. You can again select it to know more. You can also show more here. It could also be a Jersey lily, which just knew that there's other lilies other than just a lily. And they're also going to be some similar web images as well that you can tap. So that's pretty cool. I think I've seen, well, like in my old house, in my old neighborhood, there were a lot of like flowers, and like I wanted to know what the flowers are, and it's just so simple that you can now just like tap on the photo and it's going to show this information about the flowers. Some of it is inaccurate. Maybe the image that I saved isn't a real flower, I'm not sure. But, oh my gosh, I'm having the biggest headache of my life. Okay. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can look up plants on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions in regards to this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.